Hey everybody, I have a new red truck. This new red truck was made by Element in collaboration with Night Customs, and it is called the Knightwalker. You can drive it at night and you can drive it in the daytime. So it's modeled after DeMello Off-Road's solid axle swap 2nd gen Tacoma, which also has 3rd gen front and rear stuff on it, so it's like a mix of both. So it's a lot of new stuff here. So it's solid axle like the real one, 1.9 by 4.19 general grabber ATX tires. Now these are bigger than the ones that would come on the Night Runner. So we have these cool mirrors here that have like little like bumpers on them, and injection molded grill, mirrors, bumper, rock sliders, roll cage thing, tire carrier. There are injection molded light buckets behind these lenses here, behind these stickers. I just tore it, but oh no. Well, we're gonna take those off anyway. And door handles, light bar, windshield wipers. So that's a lot of detail, and it'll save you some 3D printing from Night Customs because you already have your lens buckets built in. Now there's no interior, and there's no inner fenders, but you can download those to print yourself at their My Mini factory or get them from Shapeways. So I have already printed the front inner fenders because they're going to be the same ones that fit the Night Runner with the IFS. The body looks pretty good. That front bumper with the big old light bar, and there is a spot for your winch and fair lead. But if you have a light bar, you won't need a winch. So 4-link rear, 3-link with panhard front. You know, the same enduro stuff underneath, behind the axle steering. Body clips. I wish they would do away with those. You know, with most of their other releases, Night Customs makes magnet mounts. But if you have the ready-to-run body, you're going to have holes, and you're going to have to figure out what to do to fill those holes. So the body appears to be one piece, which is nice, less floppy, you know, for Lexan, because it's already floppy. But say no to body clips. Okay, so we have a 15-kilogram servo, a 14-turn 5-slot 550 brushed motor. And here we have a FlySky receiver speed control 2-in-1, which is nifty. Now, in conjunction with that, we have the FlySky transmitter, which you can change your running mode, battery type, and drag brake on the FlySky. So that's a cool feature, and we've seen that before, or I have experience before with the smaller FlySky ones from like the Tiny FMS stuff, which are nice for one-handed. This one's a little harder to reach, being like a full-size radio, but still not too bad. Probably do some one-handed filming with that. But that's a neat feature. And the best part about the bigger one is it has a little key so you know what the buttons do. On the smaller ones, you got to go to the manual. T-plug, which is good for me because I haven't converted to XT60 yet. Aluminum body shocks. much flex, lots of crawl. So that's neat. So like all of the other enduro vehicles, it comes in a really nifty box that you can unfold and turn into a backdrop or diorama. They used to have garages and now they're more like rooms kind of thing. This particular theme seems to be like video games. So if you're into video games and red trucks, this is a perfect release for you. In case you're curious and want to see what this looks like next to a Night Runner, here you go. So there they are together. I'm going to take a wild guess and say that the interior made for this will also fit that. Anyway, I've run out of things to say about this nice red truck by Element. So thanks to them for sending this out. Let's take it out to Smiggin's Folly and see how it does. But first, we're going to put on the inner fenders so it looks a little better on screen. Still no interior, but maybe we can fix that by the next video.